Anyways, let's continue on. So the next thing we're going to look at is, I'll change color again. Sewage green, like the Hulk. Alright, so P. Now P is the population proportion that, it's a proportion of a population we're looking at. So let's say that our P is, we'll say X to represent the value of meters. We'll say where X is greater than 3 meters. So how many people, now what this is asking us is how many people in our population, or how many units in our population exceed 3 meters. Now it's not Mike, it's not Jane. Susie is 3 meters, but this isn't exceeding 3 meters because you're the same height. So only Luke remains. This means that our proportion is equal to 1 over 4. And we normally represent this as a decimal, so we would write 0. Oh my god, again? Why is it doing that? Let me just scroll up for a second. Oh, I see what's... right, okay, I see what's happening. 0.25. Sorry, that 0.25 is what we would describe this as. So the proportion of our population that is greater than 3 meters in height is equal to 0.25. Now, our next one, maybe you can guess this one coming up. We'll do this in like a brown color. This one here is in the same sort of thing. It is P hat. So it is the proportion of the same, it is a proportion of a particular piece of information we're interested in from the sample. So let's say we made the same, we were looking for the same piece of information. Well, Jane isn't over 3 meters tall. She's 2 meters. That's less than 3. But Luke is. So what we would say is that 1 in 2 units of the sample are over 3 meters tall, which means that our proportion of people over 3 meters in our sample is 0.5. It's pretty simple stuff, right? These symbols here, mu, bar x, p, and p hat, are going to be the most common symbols for evaluating things in statistics you're going to come across. You're going to often want to calculate these, specifically this one. Bar x will be the most common.